Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about remaining cargo to load of a Capesize vessel. This is a practice number 6. So we're going to make a practice of loading by remaining cargo to load. And this is an actual loading sequence. So let's start, guys. This is the loading sequence of MV Cape Odyssey. This was my vessel, my previous vessel, way back in 2014. I was on board for 9 months, and so we're going to use this actual load plan or loading sequence for remaining cargo to load. So the vessel is loading at Port Hedland to be discharged at Gwangyang, South Korea. The cargo is iron ore, and the density at berth is 1.025. The total cargo to be loaded is 2,665. Okay, and again, this is the pour sequence. This is the hold, number of hold to be loaded, and number of tons to be loaded in each hold. This is the ballast operations. This is the comments, and this is the draft. Draft arrival at berth. Forward is 8.03 and up is 8.40. The bending moment is 36%, steering force is 25%. Their drop is 19.8. The mid drop is 8.22 and trim is 0.37. So this is the initial drop upon arrival at berth. Okay. Now, let's say that the operation is ongoing. The ship is now loading. Then I have made an instructions. Let's say the chief officer made an instructions to the duty officer that when the operation reaches at pour 18, number 18, so pour number 18, when she reaches at this point and completed loading in hold number 2 of 14,470, so the duty officer has to advise the foreman to start loading, and also advise the chief officer and the draft surveyor to make a draft reading around the vessel to compute the remaining cargo to load for trimming. Okay, so let's say myself and the draft surveyor went down of the vessel, and we took a draft reading forward, up, mid, port, and starboard. Okay, so upon completion of reading the draft, we both agreed that forward drop would be 1767, the forward drop, and up drop will be 1807. The mid drop will be 1787, and the trim is negative 0.40. Okay, and the trimming hold is 2 and 8. 2 and 8, and the trimming amount of cargo is 5,000. Okay, 5,000. So now we will go, since we both agreed on the draft, we'll apply it now to our program. So look for the vessel Cape Odyssey. Okay, then we go to form number 6. Form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, and what is our initial drop forward? According to the agreement with the drop surveyor, drop forward should be 1767. Okay, so you put here 17.67, and up drop is how much? Up drop would be 1807. So put here 18.07. Okay. And take note of the main drop is 1787, trim is 0.40, LCF is 0.30, MTC and TPC. Okay. Now, at the actual drop reading of midport, let's say is 1787, 17.87, and the mid starboard actual reading of mid starboard is 1787, which is no least. Okay. And the departure drop is 1823. Departure drop is 1823 mid. Okay. It's 1823. So you put here 18.23. Okay. At the start of loading, the local density was 1.025, 1.025, and in completion will also be density will also be 1.025, 025. Okay. Now after you put the departure drop of 1823, you will automatically get the value of 4993.6, which is the recommended cargo to load for trimming. So how did I get this one? You click this one, then you will see the formula. The formula says K8, row 8, column 8, and column K and row 8. This one. So that will be your sinkage times your M3. This MM, N3 is your TPC times 100. Again, sinkage times TPC times 100 will be your recommended cargo to load for trimming, which is 4993.6. So she's short of 6.4 metric tons. Okay. Take note, guys. With this departure drop 18.3, you interpolate the TPC, which is the interpolation is 138.71. Okay. 138.71. Then follow the arrow. You say you want to load, you want to round it up, that will be 4994. 4994. So after resulting 4994, what will be the drop will be 18.23, which is exactly the same here, and the sinkage is 36, which is equal. Let's say we put 5,000 to be exact. 5,000. 1, 2, 3, according to the plan. Take note, once you load 5,000, the mid drop is still the same, 1823, and the sinkage is 36, which is equal to this one. So I would recommend that we use 5,000. It's only 7 tons, 7 tons difference. Okay. So this one way of getting the sinkage is 1823 minus 17.87 is 0.36 meters or 36 centimeters. So that is how to get the sinkage. The other one is, since your actual cargo to load for trimming is 5,000, you put here 5,000 and your TPC is 138.71, which is this one. So divide 5,000, divide by 138.71 is 36.05. Divide by 100, that will be round up to 36. Okay. So your present drop, mid drop is 1787, plus your sinkage of 36, and your final mid will be 1823. So that is difference only of negative 6.4 metric tons. So recommend is 49936, and the actual load to load is 5,000. That's difference only of 6.4 metric tons. Okay. And the other one is sinkage, is the weight, or 5,000 divided by TPC, divide by 100, then you will get your sinkage of 0.36. Okay? So 5,000 is the actual cargo to load for trimming, then go to trim holes 2. So trim holes 2. This is the trimming with 2 holes. So 5,000 is the trimming cargo. Your initial drop, mean drop, trim, MTC, LCF, and 138. The trimming hold is 2 and 8. Okay? 2 and 8. So you press here 2. Take note, guys. You will see here number of 1 and 9 and 1 and 9. So when you press 2 here, it will change. Press 2, hold number 2, and hold number 9, or hold number 8. That is your trimming hold. And take note, it has already changed to 2 and 8, and here 2 and 8. Okay? So how much are we going to load in hole number 2 and number 8? Our final trim, according to our plan, loading plan, is 20 centimeters of drop, mid drop of 1823. So 20 centimeters. So you put here 20 centimeters, 0.20. Okay? Press enter, and he will advise you to load in hole number 2 and number 9. Number 2 is you load 2482. 2482. So you put here 2482, and number 8 will be 2518. Okay, 2518 if you round it up, and your departure drop would be forward will be 1813, and up drop will be 1333. Your trim will be 20 centimeters, and mean is 1823, and your deflection is 0. So check, guys. Forward is 1813. Okay. Look, 1813, and up is 1833. Up is 1833. Trim is 20, and main is 1823. Okay. Trim is 20, which is this one. And your departure mid drop is 1823. Okay. And your deflection is 0. Almost 0. Exactly 0. How do you get this mid? Put equals. You go to form number 6. Once you loaded 5,000, this will be departure mid. You click this one, and there it goes. Then you click your main, put equals with your main here, and your deflection is 0. Okay. Then you go to form number 6. Take note of the cargo. Number 2 is 248, 2482, and number 8 is 2518. Go to form number 6, scroll down. Then in number 2, you have to load 2482, and 8 is 2518. Okay. Then apply it to the program. Hold number 2, you put the weight of the cargo, then apply the LCG. LCG of number 2. LCG of number 2. Scroll down a little bit. Number 2 LCG is negative 9186. Okay, negative 9186. Negative 9186, and number 8 is 6750. 6750. Number 8 is 67.50. So confirm. Go back to the program and scroll down. Then your drop forward is 1813, and up is 1833, which is equal to this loading plan of 1813 and 1833. Your mid is 1823, and your trim is 0.20, which is exactly the same with your program. Your trim is 0.20, and your main is 18.23, and your deflection is 0. So go back. This is your program number 1, program number 2, with the same departure drop. Then we go to by trim table. This is program number 3. Okay. Program number 3. Remember, you have to load 5,000. Your trimming holds is 2 and 8. And the value to be loaded in number 2 is 2482 and number 8 is 2518. So here we have to apply the hold number 2 of forward and up correction, and hold number 8 we apply the forward and up corrections. So what is the correction of hold number 2 forward? Hold number 2 forward. Hold number 2 forward. I have already highlighted hold number 2 and drop 18 forward is 2.3. Okay, you put here 2.3, 2.3. And up correction is how much? Up correction number 2 is negative 0.8. So you put here negative 0.8. Now we go to hold number 8. The forward correction is how much? Forward correction, we scroll down. Then you go to hold number 8. This is the forward correction. Forward correction is negative 0.4. So put here negative 0.4. And up correction in hold number 8. Hold number 8 up correction is 1.8. So you put here 1.8. Then you will have your departure drop. So the departure drop here, forward is 18.14, up is 18.32, your main is 18.23, mid is 18.23, but your trim is 0.18, short of 2 centimeters. So we will adjust this correction, forward correction, to meet the 18.13 and adjust the up correction to meet the 18.33. So I've already adjusted it. So this forward correction should be 2.27. Take note of this forward correction and the trim. Press enter. Then you have 18.13. Then you're almost target with your trim of 18.19. Now we have to adjust the up. So we adjust the up in hold number 8. Make this one to 1.82. 1.82. Then take note your drop forward is 18.13, up is 18.33, main is 18.23, mid is 18.23, trim is 20, and your deflection is 0. So this is exactly the same with your loading plan. Forward is 18.13, forward is up is 18.33, your mid is 18.23, and trim is 0.23, which is the same with your drop here, and the deflection is 0. So this is program number 1, program number 2, program number 3, and the last program is form number 6, form number 7, which is program number 4, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. Take note that the density at birth is 1.025. Okay. 1.025. Okay. So the initial drop forward is how much? Forward is 1767. We put it 1767. Okay, 17.67. And up drop is how much? Updraft is 1807. Put this here. 18.07. And your how much your trimming hold is 2 and 8. How much to load in 2 and 8? Go to holds 2. Go up. Number 2, you should load 2482. 2482 and number 8 is 2518. 2518. Then scroll down a little bit. And what is the LCG of hold number 2 is negative 9196. Hold number 2 is negative 9196. Okay. And number 8 is 67.50. Number 8 is 6750. Okay. Then until completion of loading, your density would also be 1.025. Excuse me. So your main drop is 1823 and your forward and up departure forward is 1813, up is 1833, main drop is 1823. Your trim is 0.195. If you round it up, that will be 0.20, and your deflection is 0. Okay, which is exactly the same with your departure drop in your load plan. Forward is 1813, 1833 in up, and your mid departure drop is 1823, and your trim is 023, which is exactly the same with this program number 4. So this is my bezel before. Now we go to apply to another capsize bezel, which is CPO Europe. This is also a capsize bezel. I was on board here for 5 months. So we will apply the loading sequence and the loading plan to this bezel. Just let's say he's also loading in Port Hedland, okay, with the same loading plan. So we go to form number 6. What is the initial drop forward? Initial drop forward is 1767. Okay, put here 1767.67. Up is how much? Up is 1807. So put here 18.07. Take note, this is another bezel, guys. The name of the bezel is CPO Europe. Okay. Then take note of the mean drop is 1887 and trim by turn of 0.40, LCF, your MTC and TPC. And the actual reading of the chief officer and the drop surveyor midport is, let's say, 1787. 17.87, and the mid starboard actual reading is 17.87. No list, okay? And our departure drop is 1823.23. And the recommended cargo to load is 4968. And the sinkage is 0.36 meters or 36 centimeters. Again, I will repeat. How do you get this one? See the formula here is K8, which is your K, and 8 is your sinkage, times your M3, your M, row 3, which is the TPC, times 100. I will repeat. Sinkage times TPC times 100, that will be 4968. That's short of 32 metric tons because this is a different vessel. Okay, again, the start of loading, the density is 1.025. and completion of loading is 1.025. Okay, you scroll down, just follow this arrow, then you have to load 49, put here 4968, 4968. After results after loading 4968, the drop, mid drop, departure drop is 1823, which is the same here, and your sinkage is 036, which is the same here. So this is a good program, guys. Now, with your departure drop of 1823, you interpolate the TPC of 1823, which is 138 exactly, which is this one. Okay. So since your actual to load cargo, actual cargo to load for trimming is 4968. So you put here 4968, and the TPC of your from your departure drop of 1823, which is 138. So 4968 divided by 138, that will be 36. Divide by 100, that will be 0.36. And here your present drop mid is 1787 plus your sinkage of 36. Your final departure is 1823, which is the same here. So this is how you get your sinkage, this one. And here the recommended cargo to load is 4968, and the actual cargo to load is 4968, so there's no difference. Then you go to, okay, you go to trim two hoods. Take note of the 4968 cargo to load, which is this one, 4968. The initial drop, main drop, trim, MTC, LCF, and TPC. Your trimming hold is 2, place 2, and 8, okay? And scroll down. What will be your trim, departure trim? Your trim is, according to your plan, is 20 centimeters, okay? So you put here 0.20 for 20 centimeters. Then he will recommend how much cargo to load in number 2 and number 8. So number 2, you have to load 2378. Run it up. 2378. Put it. 2378. And number 5, number 8 cargo to load is 2590. You get your 2590, and your departure drop forward is 18.13, up is 18.33, trim is 0.20, and your main is 18.23, and you have a 0 deflection here. Okay. Again, how did I get this made? You put your equals. You go to form 6. Once you load 4968, you will have the drop of 18.23. So you click this one, then press enter. There it goes. Then your main. You put equals. This is your main. Enter, and you have a 0 deflection. So you have now 2 programs. Program number 6. Okay. This is your departure drop, and trim holds 2, and your departure drop. Then we go by trim table. Okay. Take note that number 2 and 8 is trimming hold. The cargo for trimming is 4968, which is 4968, okay? And your cargo to load in number 2 is 2378, and hold number 8 is 2590. So you apply your forward and up corrections on hold number 2 and 8. So what is the correction for forward 2? Hold 2, forward correction is, so number 2, this is the one, I already highlighted it. Drop 18, that will be forward 2.3. So you put here 2.3. And up correction is how much? Up correction is, hold number 2 is negative 0.8. So you put here negative 0.8, and port correction hold number 8. How much would that be? So scroll down to hold number 8. So this is your hold number 8. Forward correction is negative 0.4. So put here negative 0.4, and up correction is how much? Number 8 up correction is 1.8. So you put here 1.8. Okay. So take note of the drop, forward and up. Drop is short of 18.11 is short of 2 centimeters, and up is 18.23 short of 10 centimeters. Your main drop is very far, and your trim is 11. So we have to adjust this forward correction to make it 1813. So I already made the correction, adjust it, and that will be 2.35. 2.35. And take note that the drop forward now is 1813. Now look at the trim is way back, way of 10 centimeters, should be 0.20, and your up is 1823. It should be 1833. So we adjust this up correction. I've already adjusted to, take note, 1.739, and take out of the drop CPO 1 point, should be 33, no? What happened here? 0.35, undo. So we adjust this one, 33. What about we make 17? Take note of the drop whip up, push enter. So we make it, undo. We make it 1.75, example. 21, 1.78. Oh, so we have to reduce it to 1.72. 0.72, 21, 1.6, 1.6, 1.6, adjust it. I'm sorry, 1.6, 18, more or less, huh? So 1.7, make it 7.5. What is 7.5? 21. Make this 7.7. 22. Make this 7.9. 22, no change. 1.8. 7.22. 7.8. 8. 1.8. 23. 8.5. Oh, no good. That should be 8.5. I'm sorry. 24. 1.7. 7. 25. That'll be 9. 25. 1.9. 25, 95, 95, 97, 27, that will be 99, 28, make it 2, 2, 28, 2.1, 30, 2.2, 33, so you have more here, make it 18, sorry, 18, there you go. Take note, the drop forward is 1813, up is 1833, main is 1823, your mid is 1823, your trim is 20, your deflection is 0046. We'll try to reduce this one. So make this, for example, make this 7, 17. 7. It has increased, okay? So 1719. What happens? 1934. That will be, make this 2. 2. 2. What happens? There's an increase here. Back. Okay. So we stop from 2.19. 2.19 and your drop forward is 1813. Drop up is 1833. Main is 1823. Mid is 1823. Your trim is 20. Your deflection is 0. According to your plan. 1813, 1833, 1823, and 20 centimeters, which is the same here. So they have, this is program number 1, program number 2, same drop, and program number 3. Okay, so we go now the fourth program, which is form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. Again, the density is 1.025. The forward drop and up drop is how much? Forward drop is 1767 and 1807. So 1767, 1807, and your density upon completion is 1.025. And look at your trimming hold is 2 and 8. How much you load in number 2 and 8? Number 2, you have to load 2378. You have 2378, and number 8 is 2590. 2590. What is the LCG of 2 and 8? Number 2, LCG is negative 92854. Negative 92854, and number 8 is 6433. Number 8 is 6433, and your final drop would be, this will be your mid drop 1823, and your final drop would be this is CPU Europe, okay? So what happened here? We'll check, double check. 1867 forward. 1767, 1807. 1767, 1807, 1767, 1767, 18.07. 1.07. Okay, and your density upon completion is 1.025. Initial density is 1.025, and your trimming hold is 2, 8. And number 2, how much you're going to load in number 2 is, put it this way, equals 2. Okay, there. And number 8 equals, and the density LCG of number 2 is LCG number 2. LCG is, click this one. LCG of number 8 is, we'll just double check, guys. It's number 8. Check this one. Okay, 1.025. And check this one. Click this one. J6. Okay. Then your departure drop. Something wrong with this one program. Okay. Anyway, you have 1, 2, 3 to back you up. Okay. And which is the same with your departure drop here. Okay. This is MB CPU Europe. Then we go to the last capesize vessel. Okay, the last capesize vessel is Cape United. Okay, again we go to form number 6. Your forward drop is how much? Forward drop is 1767. So you put here 17.67. Updraft is how much? Updraft is 1807. Put here 18.07. Your main drop, trim, LCF, MTC, NTPC. Okay, so you put here your main drop, mid port, which actual mid port is 1787. 17.87. Mid starboard is 17.87. 17.87. And your sailing drop is 1823. 18.23. And the recommended cargo to load is 4968. Okay, so put here 4968. 4968. Once you load 4968, your departure drop is 1823, which is the same here, and your sinkage is 0.36, which is the same here. Okay, with your actual cargo to load of 4968, which is this one, divide with your TPC of 138, exactly this one, that will be 36, divide 100 with 0.36. So your present drop of 18.87 plus your sinkage of 36, your final made will be 1823, which is the same here. Okay, then you go to trim 2 holes. You go to trim 2 holes. Take note of the cargo 4968, the initial drop, main drop, trim, MTC, LCF, NTPC. The trimming cargo is 2. Press 2 and 8. Okay, scroll down, and your departure trim is 0.20. 0.20. And he will recommend to load in hold number 2 and 8. Hold number 2 is 2443. 2443. Run it up. 2443. 2443. And number 8 should be 2525. Number 8 is 2525, and your departure drop would be forward 1813, up is 1833, trim is 020, main is 1823, and your deflection is 0. Then we go to the third program, which is by trim table. So take note of the cargo, 968, trimming holes 2 and 8, and the cargo loaded in 2 and 8. We apply now the forward correction and up correction of hold number 2. So hold number 2, Cape United, hold number 2 is negative 2.3. So you put here, is that negative 0.3? 2.3 only. So put here 2.3, and up is how much? Up number 2 is negative 0.8, negative 0.8, okay? And number 8, forward correction, scroll down, and number 8 is negative 0.4, put here negative 0.4, and up correction is how much? Up correction, hold number 8, 1.8, put here 1.8, 1.8, and your departure trim is exactly 18, forward 18, 13, up is 1833, main is 1823, mid is 1823, and trim is 020. Take note of the mid and the mid drop is the same, so it's actually 0. So you have, by trim table, you have exactly the same figure. So you have program number 1, form number 6, the same. Program number 2, trim 2 holes, the same, and your by trim table, exactly the same. Okay? Here, you don't know which cargo to load first. It's either 2 and 8. But I made a program that first you should load on hold number 8, then hold number 2. So take note of the figures. 2525, you got 2525, negative 0.4, and 1.8 there. And hold number 8 is, hold number 2 is 2443, forward is 2.3, and up is negative 0.8. After completion of loading these 2 holds, then your departure drop will be forward will be 1813, up is 1833, trim is 0.20, and your main drop is 1823. Then you have exactly here the same reflection of 0. Then we go to the last program of form number 8. Number 8 of form 7, which is large weights, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. So the density is 1.025. Upon completion, the density will also be 1.025. Okay? And your initial drop, forward and up, is 1767. Okay, 17.67. Up is 1808, 1807. Okay, 1807, 18.07. And take note of your trimming hold is 2 and 8. How much you load in number 2? Number 2 should be 2443. 2443. Number 8 is 2525. Number 8 is 2525. Okay. And your LCG in number 2 is 9196 negative. Number 2 is 9196 negative, and your 8 the whole number is 67.5. 8 is 67.5, okay? And your departure drop, this is your main drop of 18.23, and your departure drop forward is 1813, up drop is 1833, and your main drop is 1823, and your trim is 1.96, which is almost to 0, and your deflection is 0. So you have 4 programs, 1, 2, okay, 2, 3, same drop, and 4, okay. So you have 4 programs to back you up, and with each capsize vessel, they have all the same answers with using this loading sequence, okay. I'm the chief officer here of this vessel, Cape Odyssey. I was on board here 9 months, and I made this loading plan. This is, take note guys, that the trimming hold is 8 and 2. I was also asked by the master to make trimming hold of 9 and 1. So here, uh, 9 and 1 with the same cargo of 205665, and the cargo here is 205665, except for the trimming hold is, instead of 8 and 2, the other one I made 9 and 1 cargo holds. The same drop, okay, the same drop. The initial here is 1776, 1812, and departure drop is 1823, trim is 20 centimeters, drop forward is 1813 and 1833. Okay guys, so next time I will use this one and try to practice this loading sequence. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and good night.